I'm facing Realme UI crashing problem like this. Phone is starting this looking crash. Crash UI. How to reset this and how to solve it. If it restart and if you restart your phone like this. This can solve this problem, but after 10 minutes it again show. So permanent fixing this problem, let's watch this video at the end. Go to your phone setting, click on apps, click in app management, click on click on three dots, show system, click search user experience program. It's a common problem of UI and UX. So let's come to the storage option. Remove the cache, clear the cache, and clear all data. I'll reset it permanently. Hot stuff. Start to see the coming this problem. Okay, this problem is permanently solved. And now show again. Let's show by updating the phone, converting